What's going on, folks? Welcome back to the channel. Taking a look at Brad Garlinghouse, Twitter this morning, the CEO at Ripple. Another win for transparency. Unredacted Hinman emails will be publicly available soon. Stay tuned as the lawyers work through the mechanics to make that happen. That is some pretty good news here for the Ripple and SEC lawsuit. Guys, welcome to the channel. It is the 17th of May. We're taking a look at the XRP chart this morning. Nice 2 days here for the market. Take a little bit of a deep dive in here, see what's going on, some possibilities for the upside and to the downside. Let's remove the watch list. Welcome to the channel, guys. Appreciate all of the subscribers. So yesterday, on the XRP chart, we got looks like we closed up 3.54%. We hit a low on the day of 41.8, a high of 44.29. And then we started to pump. So 8 p.m., I believe, is the time where we get the new candle here on the chart on the East Coast, that is. Hit a high of 46.1, a low of 43.9. Getting a pretty strong reversal, some decent pressure above the market so this whole area as supply, and the price is trying to breach into that on today's, the 17th of May, candle. Resistance came in at one of our levels, as they typically do. What level is that? That's 46.039. 46.039, and the high today was 46.129. You can see let's take you to the 3-minute chart real quick. Show you this on a zoomed in approach. Check this out, guys. Double top right here, right at a resistance level, pulled back, try to get back above, rolled over. Some resistance here at the 44.920 as well. Let's take you back to the daily. So what is possible here for XRP? Well, that is some good news, assuming more good news follows. Give me 1 second here. Let me take a drink of some coffee. Assuming more good news follows, I would imagine the price will continue to the upside. We might have broken. I say might. We don't. We are waiting. We did get a higher high, actually. So we took out the high of the 12th. So that was good. We should get some kind of a pullback here, within the next couple days. Some kind of a higher low. And then we'll get another higher high, really giving us that nice confirmation, that trend change. As natural price here is we're finding some resistance at the lower end of this base here. And that is what we're getting with this big candle wick up in and then getting pushed back. It doesn't mean that won't get breached once again today. We could get a solid close anywhere up in this range. That is possible. It looks like, though, and I wouldn't say we're out of the woods yet. It does look like the momentum has flipped back to the upside. So we'll have to keep a nice close eye on that. So far, our support has held here at 41,680. Bunch of candle wicks down in here, and then got that nice breakout. Well, it's actually essentially today's candle, but yesterday's candle did really start that breaking higher. And then today, we'll have to see how we close. If we get a weak close, that wouldn't be that great. But we have many hours left in today's session. So you could look at this here as this big wedge here breaking to the upside. That's possible. Maybe on a news. Maybe news will be the catalyst for that. Maybe we get some good news today. The email came, or the news came out last night about the the Hinman emails, and maybe today they drop another bombshell and getting close to this settlement here for the SEC and Ripple case. Over 2 years now, if anybody's been around that long. Some of you have not. Some of you have been around longer than that. But right now, the price is looking like it's changing its trend back to the upside after finding support at old resistance, which is the top end of this range here, which was the 40, give or take, the 41, 42.9. Broke out, pulled back, getting support, and maybe we're ready for that next leg higher. So that next leg higher could easily take us up to the 68 cent, 61 to 68 cents right up in here. Here's your 61 and then your 68. So that is some solid targets based on this most recent consolidation. On a percentage basis from where we're currently trading at, 61 puts us up 38. And 68 puts us up about 54%, guys. So, and the price, of course, doesn't have to stop there. It could continue higher. Keeping in mind that there will be some resistance down here at the lower end of this base here. So, just like it's bumping its head currently, the price on a lower end of a base, you could do the same thing up in here. So we'll have to see, guys, but so far that is some good news to see. I prefer seeing higher XRP prices than lower, especially two plus years in a lawsuit where the price essentially hasn't done too much. It is up overall, but it kind of just isn't doing much here. I also have a concern still of a price break to the downside. Don't know if that'll happen or not, but I do keep that in the back of my mind here. So we found some nice support all along here, and as long as that holds, all is well. So we'll see how this price does perform. We'll see if we can recover today. That would be nice. Current resistance, like I said, is at our 46,039 level. So between yesterday and so far today, very nice candles. Let's see if we can get some continuation to the upside, getting us a little bit higher. Prefer to see this thing up into the 47, 48 cent, and that would be a little bit more comfortable and give us that confidence that the price is really getting ready and has changed back to upside momentum. So you guys let me know your thoughts on XRP. So far, it's looking good. Looking like we're getting that trend change to the upside. Don't like to get too excited. Anything can happen here, especially with XRP. It's pretty good at disappointing. All right, guys. Thanks for hanging around. Have a good one.